Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking to you about PNC Bank. More specifically, I'm going to walk you through a few different ways that you can order checks for PNC. So a check is a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You can use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then the person that you're paying deposits the check. Once they've done that, the money will be taken out of your account and then deposited into theirs. So now that we have kind of an understanding of what checks are and how they're used, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else that has your bank account and routing number on it. So the first thing that you're going to do is open your browser on your phone and type in the bank web address. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, any browser, whatever browser that you normally use should be fine. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. As you can see, I'm already on the website and the web address is right here at the top, simply pnc.com. And you can also check the description for the link to PNC. So the first way is going to be to log into your PNC bank account online. So you'll have to have a username and a password. You're going to look for the login button right at the top right corner of the screen. And then you're going to click on Sign On to Mobile Banking. They do have apps, but for the purposes of this video, I'm going to show you how to do it solely on the browser. So that's going to take you to this screen where you can enter your user ID and your password. So go ahead and put those in, and once you're in, you're going to click on banking options and then order checks online if available. Usually banks do charge a fee for checks and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way you can order checks is going to be over the phone by calling the customer service number for PNC. You should be able to find this number on the back of your debit card, and you can also find this phone number right here at the bottom. Need help? Call us at, and then it has a phone number right there. You can try calling that phone number as well to get with a representative. And if you happen to know any other ways to find the customer service phone number that might be a little bit easier, be sure to let me know in the comments. I do want to let you know that sometimes there will be an additional fee to use this service to order your checks, and that's something that the customer service representative will lay out for you when you speak with them. The third and final way that you can order checks is through a third-party vendor. To do this, simply go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for PNC. I've already got this tab up and I've entered in the search order replacement checks for PNC, and as you can see, it comes up with a bunch of links to different websites where you can order replacement checks. You've got Checks Unlimited, Extra Value Checks, Bradford Exchange Checks, all very popular websites where you can order your checks from. Do be aware that the security features and prices to order checks online from these third-party vendors will vary, but if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors to order replacement checks for PNC from, please be sure to let me know in the comments. Ordering checks from a third-party vendor is also where your voided check copy will come in handy, because you're going to need to have your exact PNC bank account and routing number. Unlike when you do a call over the phone to order, or you do it through the bank website, through the PNC Bank website, those 2 numbers are not going to be automatically loaded, so you need to provide those yourself. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this useful, and please make sure to check out the description for more information on PNC.